Jefferson Thomas. What are the possibilities to check where the gear oil is leaking from my Vespa P200E? The output seal is dry and it pools under drain plug, which has new seal and is not damaged in any way.
Well, it is Italian, so it's probably supposed to leak, because every Italian vehicle I've ever had leaks like a sieve. They're rather like English vehicles. I don't know if all your seals are new. It could be that there's a nick in the metal that's allowing the oil through under pressure. So it depends on whether it's leaking while you're driving it, or it's staying in while you're driving it. It leaks when leaks out when it's just sitting. And so my suggestion is clean it. Like really scrupulously clean it, put a dye in the oil, like a red dye or a blue dye, and you're not going to be running the vehicle with this oil for very long, and then wait for it to leak out. And if you don't see any leaks after a few hours, run it, and then see where it's leaking out. But you got to clean them right up before you're going to be able to see anything. We have that all the time. Hasn't happened here for about just before noon, and it's just a little after noon, with a Toyota Land Cruiser that had a big pool of something underneath it, which turned out to be gasoline from a previous repair. Not here.
Not here. Okay.
Not a here repair. Actually, I was going to drive it home today, and then after I drove it in here and parked it in a pool of gasoline accumulated underneath it, I thought, well, we should maybe check it over a little more thoroughly first. And it was a backyard Bondo Buddies repair on the engines from somebody in the past who had no clue what they were doing.